Alright, here's a quick video of how to get Beyond20 to work so that you can port your rolls from D&D Beyond into Roll20. So here's my Roll20 game. This assumes that you already have Beyond20 downloaded to your Chrome. So you need to go to Extensions here and then down to Manage Extensions. Boom. This opens up. Here are all the extensions I have on my Chrome. Google Chrome browser, and here is Beyond20. All I need to do is click this little button, and this little red B appears up here, which means Beyond20 is enabled. You can click this, and it shows up all your different options for porting rolls. So you definitely want to have Never Whisper on, just because I need to see your rolls as we're playing as the DM. Type of roll, I put always roll twice. It's just in case you have advantage and you get to roll 2 dice rather than 1. It's just nice to not have to toggle that all the time. Also make sure that Add Quick Roll Areas is on. Use D&D Beyond's digital dice is also on, because that might be a default on D&D Beyond. Forced critical hits, make sure that's off. And then scroll down to here, Roll20 character sheet setting. Make sure to go to D&D 5e by Roll20. Display condition updates to VTT. Also do that. Make sure that's on. And send Beyond 20 rolls to all VTTs. You should only have one. VTT is virtual tabletop. You should only have one open while we're playing at the very least, so that should be fine. But you can also change this to all Roll20 tabs, only Foundry tabs, all these different things. But I just do all VTTs. It's just sort of the easiest. So with that in there, it means that I should be able to roll from D&D Beyond into Roll20. So let's make sure it works. So I'm just going to go to Alice's character, Ketu's character here, and I'm going to click on this and see as I scroll over all these things, these little 2 pops up, this dice thing. So that means that this is a quick roll to D&D or to Roll20. So if I want to attack with the dagger, I click this, and it rolls the dice for me. Very nice. I got a 24, but that also means it rolled into Roll20. So that is displayed for everyone to see. Wow, Alice just killed it. They got a 24. And then since you hit the target, you can roll damage just by clicking here. Boom. Piercing damage 7. And it does all your modifiers and everything. So you're not doing a bunch of math every single time you roll. Super simple. Pretty easy to use. So that is how you do it.